Hi you guys, so I'm doing one more eating only one food color for 24 hours challenge. I did like two of these before. The pink one was like super planned and turned out great. The black one was a disaster. So today, like you guys can see from the title and also from the color of my top, I'm gonna eat only green food color. Green colored food. Wow, I just messed that up. Anyway, so I'm gonna try and make this healthier as well. I have planned a lot of meals. Hopefully it works out. If it doesn't, then I don't know, we'll see. But I guess I have a lot of backup this time because I literally visited the sabji market yesterday to buy all the veggies and I saw so much green stuff, green fruits, green vegetables. So we're gonna try and include that in this video. And yeah, also if you're new to my channel and if you like what you see so far, then please make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the family. And now without further ado, let's get started with this video. Like you guys can see, it's morning. I just showered and I am hungry already. So we're gonna have a green smoothie for breakfast. I usually prefer having milk, but I don't think I can have milk. It's white. So I'll make a green smoothie. I'm making this for the first time, so I just hope this turns out great and yummy. But yeah, we'll see. Let's go. Okay guys, so I have already chopped up some banana, strawberries and palak. The sweetness will come from the banana and strawberries are just there to make it more yummy. And this is for the color. I don't like it, but I'm gonna have it. Let's go ahead and make it. Okay guys, pray for me, it's time for the taste test. So I added a little bit of more spinach than what you saw because color nahi aa raha tha. And also you're supposed to make this with frozen fruits. I added normal temperature because obviously cold. So anyway, let's go ahead and try this and see how it is. It smells pretty vegetable-ish. Not bad. I'm getting that crunch from the strawberry seeds and the sweetness from banana. I also added sweet milk, so that's also helping. So this is yum. Wow, it has that aftertaste of spinach, which I don't mind. But it's yummy. So there's one more glass. Thoda zyada bana liya maine. So the recipe that we saw was for 2 people basically. Anyway, so I forgot to take an Instagram picture. So I'm gonna do that now and finish this one also. So yeah, that is really heavy. It's like 2:30 right now. Yup. I'm gonna have my lunch real late. Normally I have it by like 1ish, 1:30 max. Anyway, so for lunch I'm gonna have moong chila. My mom already made this batter. She also had the same thing for lunch. And if you're wondering, I already have a recipe on this. Like I vlogged it before, so it's very easy to make. Just moong, green moong, and then garlic, chili. If you don't know already, I absolutely love this and it's really yummy to eat. I can eat it every day. Anyway, let's start making this. So my lunch is almost ready. Now for My dad and my granny, my mom made bhindi ki sabzi. So that's also green. So I'm gonna have that with this. I have no clue how that will taste. I also have some green chutney here. Also, chilas look yum. On its own, it's yum. So I have zero complaint this time. Do you see the smile? Not bad. Anyway, so I'll just finish this now. And then I took up a challenge which you guys will know. My Instagram followers already know about it. So follow me on Instagram if you don't. And yeah, let's finish this and then go for the challenge. It's been an hour since I had my lunch and I decided to take up this challenge for the sake of this video and to make things interesting. As my Instagram followers, what should I go for? Should I make myself suffer with Karela shots or chili? And you guys picked Karela shots. I have nothing to say. We're gonna just get started with this. I seriously can't believe I'm doing this for a freaking challenge. Like, never in my life I have had Karela. I just hate the smell. Forget about tasting it. I'm gonna have this pure raw Karela juice with water and salt. And then if I don't like the taste, obviously I'm not gonna like the taste. For the aftertaste, I have this yummiest thing ever. It's variali, by the way, if you're wondering. So this is for later to just save myself from the torture. My laptop here, maybe I should just shift this just in case if I puke or something. क्यों कर रही हूँ मैं? क्यों? Why did I sign up for this? Oh my freaking god. Okay. It's nothing, it's just plain green juice. I can totally have this, and for savior I have variali with me, so that's okay. It's just for the video. You can do this. Take a deep breath. Bungee jumping किया तूने ध्वनि यार, ये तो कर ही सकती है तू. Oh god, come on. Yeah, let's do it. Take a deep breath. Okay, once again. Take a deep breath. मैंने जितना भी जंक खाया था this month, I think this shot should just wash it all off, wash my sins of eating junk. Oh my god. I just hope I don't puke now. So I'm eating this. Anyway guys, I did it. Now I'm gonna just sit and edit till it's like my snack time, which is around like 5:36, and I did it guys, I did it. Woo! Wow. This feels like, you know, some kind of achievement. Not really, but kind of. It's now time for snacks and finally. Also, with that shot, my stomach feels a little weird now. It feels heavier. I just hope kuch gadbad na ho jaye kal subah ko. Anyway, so yeah, I was just like kind of editing one of my videos and now I'm like chilled, free from the work. So I'm gonna Netflix and chill, basically have some snacks. And for that, I have the 2 yummy veggie stick. I just had this once and so far I think it was green. I don't really remember. So we'll just open this and see. Okay, so it's light green color, but green, so it works for me. By the way, this is also healthier because it's baked, not fried. And then we have the very yummy I don't know where to get this from. My aunt got it for me. So it's the Pani Puri balls. It tastes just like Pani Puri, pudina, nimbu and all that masala. So freaking yum. Especially saved this for the challenge. I was trying not to finish it in one day. For dinner, I was planning on making, those chana charts with green chana. Now, I have boiled green chana. Now, some of them do look green, but most of them are like red. So, I don't want to like sit around and just like keep eating the green ones. Like, that would be so foolish of me. So, anyway, for dinner, cook comes at my place. So I told her to make palak paratha. Now I don't know how to make this, but what I know is you just have to puree palak along with garlic and then make normal atta, mixing that puree instead of water, and this is what you get. It's really yum. We do eat it on a regular basis at my place, so that is what I'm gonna eat for dinner now. Okay guys, so it's almost like 11ish right now and it's time for the dessert. I don't have dessert on a daily basis just because of this video. I ordered two stuff which is kind of green and I wasn't sure about one being green, so I ordered like two of them. So one is a kulfi, it's green, it's a pan kulfi, and the other one is a pan ice cream. This smells exactly like a pan. So amazing. It also has all that just pan things inside. It's cold. I have cold. But still, we're gonna have this for the sake of this video because we already did some daredevil things. So yeah, we're gonna taste this first. Oh, A1. Wow. That was it. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. पूरे दिन में सबसे ज़्यादा मैंने spinach खाई है. My mom just told me, reminded me of the reference from the Popeye. I used to, in बचपन I remember, I used to eat spinach because mom तभी बोलती थी कि Popeye जैसी ताकत आ जाएगी तो spinach खा ले. तो I hope मेरे को उतनी ताकत आ जाए कल के लिए. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. If you did, then please don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. I will do more such food challenges videos in the future. Also, like, let me know if you guys would like to see a part 2 of this because I still have so many things in my mind that I can eat, but I couldn't finish it. Obviously, my stomach is tiny, so I couldn't eat everything. So this is what you get. But part 2 अगर होगा तो ज़्यादा variety भी मिल सकती है आपको. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below what do you think, and yeah, also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye.